Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on AVAX. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that AVAX has recently broken out another down channel. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart of AVAX, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, the price had rallied very well, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $55. That was previously working as a very strong support here, support here and resistance here. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a very strong resistance. We got rejection here. And this is the most recent rejection that we have seen here after the breakout from this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a nice rally, but the price and could not break out this resistance of $55. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for AVAX that I shared on 1st of June 2024, not 2024, 2022 with my members, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that AVAX formed on a monthly time frame chart, and this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's the trade setup for TIA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the long-term trade signal for AVAX that I shared on 1st of June 2022 with my members, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that AVAX formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is geared up from this buying zone and slightly moved above this potential reversal zone. However, the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this huge Gartley pattern start from $80.13 and goes to $123.84. And I'm expecting that soon the price end may hit this sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And here you can see that the price line of AVAX was moving inside this quite long-term down channel since after the month of Feb 2024. We had a rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce. Sorry, here we had a bounce and rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And after this rejection, finally the price then broke out the resistance. We got one rejection, almost 3 or 4 rejections, by the way. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that tier 4 candlesticks has been rejected by this long-term resistance of $31. That was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here. And again, it worked as a resistance. But after these few rejections, the price and again moved up. And now it is recently rejected by the next long-term resistance of $55. That was previously working as a resistance here. And before that, for several weeks, it has been working as a support here. And before that here, it was also breaking as a resistance. Therefore, again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And now it is moving towards the next support of $31. That was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it can be flipped into a support. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $66. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance of $55 as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $145 to $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.